Hey guys, this is Gian of Gadget Pilipinas. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to unbox the Apple MacBook Neo. Finally, available to sa Pilipinas and you can buy one here directly at Beyond the Box or Digital Walker. Alright, so this is the box of the MacBook Neo. Let us just simply remove it from its box. Again, special thanks to our friends at Digital Walker for sending this over for us to feature in this channel. Now, we do have videos about the MacBook Pro M5 and MacBook Pro M4 Pro. So if you are into those two devices, you can go and check them out on our website and also on our YouTube, TikTok, and even on our Facebook. There. Okay. All right. So what we got right here is the 8 gig memory and 256 gig of storage. My user recommendation is actually you get yourself the one with the higher one, which is the 512 gig, because that one has a Touch ID. And again, higher memory or higher storage size is much better because again, at the end of the day, you don't want to use or dangle some USB storage on your MacBook Neo. But just in case you're short on budget, this would do. Alright, so what we got right here is this color of the MacBook Neo. You can see this is the citrus colorway of the MacBook Neo. Buksan natin siya. Okay. Ooh, what a color, look at that. So when I first saw the MacBook Neo a few months back, I was surprised because akala ko plasticky yung kanyang design saka yung feel. It's not. It's definitely not. There's a bit of heft to it, no? And as you can see right here, it's not really plasticky in any way. No? You still feel that premium design, premium build that you can actually also find on other MacBook laptops. Have here some documentations. A MacBook Neo, nice touch there because what we got here is the citrus colorway. Citrus din yung kulay ng MacBook Neo. We have here the charger, very tiny charger, and also we've got a braided cable, both Type-C. Now, for those of you who are not aware about the specifications of the MacBook Neo, everything now is here at the bottom of the screen. So as you know, information about what this is being powered by. No? Again, for those of you who are not familiar, the MacBook Neo is actually powered by an Apple A18 Pro processor, which is the same one that is powering the iPhone 16, if I'm not mistaken, right? And this one, as I mentioned earlier, has an 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gig of storage. Let's go ahead and remove the paper cover. Okay, really nice color. Kind of matches my MSI Claw, right? So this is how it looks. Got here, really nice looking. It's kind of matte, so you don't have to worry about fingerprints. And here on the left side, you've got here the two Type-Cs. You have also the provision for a 3.5mm jack. So if you wish to listen to music, you can use your wired headsets or earphones. Right, so this is the MacBook Neo. Let's open it up. All right, let's remove this. It's our first boot of the MacBook Neo. Now, just to give you guys an idea of how big it is, this is the 13-inch version, and we have here the 15 or 14-inch rather MacBook Pro M5. Let me just close this a bit. It's nice. Look. Hello. Now, in terms of size, as you can see, it is much smaller than the MacBook Pro M5. In terms of thickness, this is how thick it is. Okay. Again, guys, as I mentioned earlier, there's a bit of heft. You know? It's just as heavy as my iPad Pro. All right. Okay. Let's put this right here. You've got white keys. Look at that. Trackpad feels nice. Yeah. So we've got here the layout of the keyboard. It's pretty much similar with the layout of our MacBook Pro, as you can see, except for the Touch ID, because this version of the MacBook Neo does not have a Touch ID. Again, it is my recommendation that you get yourself the one with the Touch ID. Really convenient, no? Napaka-convenient na meron Touch ID. And you don't want to, just to key in your password all the time. No? All right, let's put our name here. Gian. And if you choose not to use your Apple account here, it's all up to you. In my case, I would probably give one for my eldest son. So I can just simply, let him sign in because his username is under our family account para makapag-share kami ng mga subscriptions. That's very, very convenient, especially if you have an Apple account and you're subscribed to their services. And one thing that I can definitely recommend when you get yourself a new MacBook Neo is that you get yourself a Creator Studio. That one offers you quite a number of really good applications to kickstart your MacBook journey. And then not now, I don't want to use File Vault for now. And I want to use Auto. There you go. And continue. And that's pretty much done. We can now use the MacBook Neo, and if you wish to customize it further, we'll have more videos about it and how you can customize your MacBook Neo to the fullest. It's all up to you. Now, if there's one thing that I would recommend that you do on the first day is that you get yourself a really nice case, screen protector if you need to, because man, you'll be using this for many years, and as much as possible, you want to protect it on the first day. So that has been our quick unboxing of the MacBook Neo. What do you guys think about this one? Are you getting the 256 gig variant or the 512 gig? No? I would love to know in the comment section down below. If you have any questions about the new MacBook Neo, where to buy them, description box lang guys, no? Everything is there where you can buy. But then again, I recommend that you get it at Digital Walker and Beyond the Box because, it's very convenient. They have so much stores nationwide. And, I'm one of their customers and I buy from them. Right, this has been Gian. Catch you in the next one. Bye.